everybody, Chuck Polly, Middleton Motorsports. Today we're putting the carbon fiber track pack suspension on a 2020 GT500. All this suspension is factory on the carbon fiber track pack edition. Putting the front and rear springs in, rear sway bar, new factory bushings, and then we're also putting the ground control upper control plates on. So that'll allow us to get the camber set just right for the track days and get everything rolling for us. Today we're going to go show you how to put everything together, go through the kind of once over along with the time lapse to show you how this thing is done. So we'll post all the part numbers of everything in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anything in the comments section. We just got the springs out, shocks out. We got to do the spring compressor, get those new springs put on, and then put the new adjustable camber caster plates on the top. everybody, we just completed the carbon fiber track pack front springs, rear springs, and rear sway bar. Also put the ground control camber and caster plates in. To wrap everything up, we lowered the vehicle about 7/8 of an inch all the way around. We also got it on the alignment rack and got everything set to -2.4, a little more than what Ford calls for in the carbon fiber track pack, but we're sitting on our compound tires and some lightweight wheels, and we're excited to push it at Road America April 24th and 25th, 2021, which is coming up about a month from now. Keep an eye out. We're going to do some comparisons. So there's a stock GT500 going with us. We're going to compare kind of how they react differently on the track. We also wanted to let everybody know we do offer all these parts. We can ship them out. If you're interested in anything, if you're in the Madison, Middleton, Southern Wisconsin, Midwest, and you want to come to us, we'd be more than happy to install it for you. And guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, because we got a bunch of testing coming up with the stuff we just did on the GT500. We got a BMW M3 we just did DCT trans swap on. Doing a full turbo build on a GT350 for half-mile stuff. So we got a lot of good content just starting up this YouTube channel. So anybody that can help us out by doing a subscribe and like, we'd really appreciate that, and hopefully you enjoy the content that we have for you coming up.